Hello, good morning. This video is recorded for educational purpose only, and it is intended for my students in the subject of advanced programming by Ma'am Salazar. Ayan. So, discuss ko lang yung first na programming na gagamitin natin is yung Python. Ayan. So, Python daw is a Windows. It is a very clear and concise. It has excellent easy to use interface and a very easy learning environment. Ayan. So, madali lang daw siyang pag-aralan si Python kasi nga gumagamit siya ng isang user-friendly environment. Now, Python in Windows provides us with a graphical user interface integrated into the IDLE. Ayan. So, sa pagkakaalam ko na-download niyo na si Idle or kung hindi man i-download na siya para masabayan ako kung paano tayo gagawa ng ating first Hello World program. Ayan. Python Idle provides the use of two modes of environment. Ano yung pino-provide niya? Dalawang mode. Yun yung tinatawag nating script mode environment and the other one is the interactive mode environment. Yan. Interactive mode comes in by default that lets you use the Python programming environment in Python shell. There, you can directly write commands and execute it to see the output. It is best for evaluation purpose. Interactive mode is probably the quickest way to try out a small idea and check its results. Ayan. Python is a scripting language rather than just a programming language. So, siya ay technically is ang siyang scripting language wherein you can create a small snippet of codes and then run to idle. Hindi mo kailangang buo yung buong code mo para lang ma-run yung system mo. Kung meron kang dapat na i-test sa code mo, kunin mo lang yung snippets nun. And then, you can run it into the idle platform. So, paano ba i-open si idle? So, ngayon kasi na-install ko na si idle. Type ko na lang dito sa Windows ko is idle. Ayan. So, wait lang natin na mag-load. Ayan. To start the script mode naman in Python idle, ayan. Tayo muna natin mag-load. Ayan. So, eto na yung nag-load na shell prompt ko. Ayan. Yan tinatawag nating idle na. Ayan. Now, para tayo makapag-create, pwede naman tayo dito na mag-type. Pwede rin tayong mag-type sa panibago, which is, for example, file, new, ayan, type tayo. So, dito, ano lang tayo, gawa lang tayo ng isang sample. Bilis na sample lang. So, possible pwede tayo dyang mag-create ng hello world. Ayan. So, paano yon? So, type lang tayo ha. Ayan. Print. Ayan. Kita tayo ng yan. Sa Python po, optional yung paggamit natin ng semicolon. Ayan. Pero I prefer na gamit tayo ng semicolon kasi gumagamit na tayo ng different programming language, di ba? And so, ayan. So, kinode natin to print, then hello world. Ayan. Need to save our work by selecting file and then save as. Make sure na your files will be saved with the extension of .p. So, for example, this is my samp.py. Ayan. So, click save. Yan. So, na-save na siya. Technically, pwede ko na siyang i-run. So, paano ba natin nira-run ang isang Python program? You need to click run or press F5 or run module. Ayan. So, dito siya maglo-load. Okay? So, ito ay ating first Hello World program. So, next time, we will be posting another video about using comments, user inputs, data types, and variables. So for now, para sa advanced programming class, thank you and please watch this video.